Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Basili. I just wanted to quickly bring to your notice that just now in an interview, media interview, news interview, with the president of National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, and BMS के जो president है, Abhijit Seth, he just announced that he said a few important things. The first important thing that he mentioned was that the new date for the NEET PG will be announced soon, very soon, next week. So he said that. वेरी सून नेक्स्ट वीक में डेट अनाउंस कर देंगे. कब का किस डेट होगा एग्जाम वो नहीं बोला. दे डिड नॉट से दैट. सो द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क्ड हर, देयर इज स्पेकुलेशन इन द इंडस्ट्री सेइंग कि एग्जाम सितंबर में होगा. तो ही क्लियरली सेड कि एग्जाम उतनी देर नहीं होगा. इट विल नॉट बी इन सितंबर, इट विल बी मच बिफोर दैट, बट द डेट विल बी अनाउंस्ड नेक्स्ट वीक. सो I was getting a lot of DM and messages from students saying कि sir, I have a trip, 10 days trip है, international trip है, flight है, सब booked है, Goa trip है, this trip है, that trip है, can I go, should I go and come back and relax and come back? I don't think that is a smart move to go and come back. And in all probability, it will be fast, soon as possible. कब क्या हमें next week पता लगेगा. So let's be very practical here. Keep things very simple. Make 10-day plans यार. Do that. Just make 10-day plans. आज से 10 दिन तक का प्लान बनाओ. आज डेट क्या है? आज 24 है, 25 है. आज 25 है, राइट, 25 है. तो 25 से 5 जुलाई का प्लान बनाओ और ये 10 दिन को आप कैसे यूज करते करो. अज्यूम कर लो कि 5 जुलाई को एग्जाम होगा. अज्यूम कर लो, है नहीं. एग्जाम अगर हो जाता है बहुत अच्छा है, नहीं होता है तो 5 जुलाई टू फिर नेक्स्ट 10 डेज 15 जुलाई का प्लान बनाओ. अगर एग्जाम हो जाता है ठीक है, नहीं तो 15 जुलाई तो 25 जुलाई का प्लान बना लो. 25 जुलाई को अगर नहीं होता है 25 जुलाई से 5 अगस्त का प्लान बना लो. बस 10 दिन के प्लान बनाओ और ज़्यादा बड़ा प्लान मत बनाओ क्योंकि प्लान डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. यू विल बी इन अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल. सो लेट मी जस्ट रिपीट व्हाट आई सेड in English. Prasad, I will say it in English. As of right now, the president of NBEMS said that the exam date will be announced next week. And the interviewer asked whether it will be in September. As a speculation, he said not so late, it will be early. So how to go forward? Going forward is very simple. Just make 10-day plans. So today is 25 June. Make plans up to 5th July. Study in those 10 days as if those are the last 10 days of your exam. Assume that the exam will be on 5th July. If the exam is not on 5th July, make another plan up to 15th July. Study in those 10 days like it's the last 10 days of the exam. If the exam is on 15th July, great. If not, make another plan from 15th to 25th July. 10-day plan, study in blocks. Do not make 1 month plan. Do not make 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Do not make huge plans. Nothing is constant. That is what I want to tell you. Of course, in your plan, there should be MCQs on a daily basis right now because MCQs is what will keep you in track of preparation. Don't just sit and read theory. Don't do that. That is a mistake. Practice at least 100 or 150 MCQs every day. And the interesting thing is, practice them in those 42-minute blocks. Do that. ठीक है ना? So you'll practice MCQs daily in blocks and make 10 days plan. After each 10 days, hope that there is exam. If not, another 10-day strategy. ठीक है? I wish you all the best. And if there is any update that is, real and important, I will share it with you. Don't get distracted by social media. Do not waste your time doing unnecessary things. Go back and study. I wish you all the strength and all the best. Bye-bye.